So last time I shared a video on how to make poki or bread buns using yeast. So in this video I'll be making it in a different way, so relax and enjoy this video. So the first thing you need to do is to measure out your flour. So for this recipe you'll be needing 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated or caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Also you'll be needing 1 teaspoon of milk flavor, half teaspoon of mixed spice. Okay, now if you don't have mixed spice, you can make a mixture of cinnamon and nutmeg. Then you scoop out half teaspoon and add. Then next you add 1 tablespoon of milk powder, and to that you're going to measure out 110 grams of water, but you're not going to add all the water. Add a little part of the water to the milk powder, then add half tablespoon of white vinegar. Next you'll be adding half teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, if you don't want to use baking soda in this, you can use 1 teaspoon of baking powder, yes, instead of half teaspoon of baking soda. So next you add 2 tablespoons or 2 eating spoons of vegetable oil. You can also use 1 tablespoon, sorry, fine. So after adding that, you're going to start combining everything together. So while you're combining it, you'll be adding the remaining part of the water that you didn't add all at the first time. So then you keep on measuring and adding it. Make sure that you combine everything gradually, okay, to form a soft dough. So once your dough is formed, you're going to transfer this dough on your work surface. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour and transfer this on your work surface. Then you're going to start to knead this dough. Make sure that you knead this dough till it is very soft and looks smooth. Okay, once it is soft and smooth, you're going to cover the dough and let it rest for like 30 minutes. Okay, so after the 30 minutes, you discover that the dough will be kind of softer than it was before you covered it. So you're going to now apply some flour on your work surface and you will roll out this dough. So after rolling out it, make sure that you roll it out a little more thinner, yes. So roll it out a little more thinner. It's not going to be too thin, it's not going to be too thick. Then you go ahead and cut your dough. Now you can mold your bread buns into different shapes that you want. Okay, you can cut it into different shapes, you can cut it into different styles that you want, but this style is also good. So if you check, I cut this one into 2 different styles. One, the long stripe, the other looks like a croissant style. Yeah, so once you roll it up, at the last part, you're going to just touch that side with a little bit of water so that it can help to stick the last part to the together, so that it will not kind of open too much when you are frying it. So after that, you're going to cover this for up to 30 to 50 minutes depending before you start frying. Before you start frying, ensure that your oil has heated up to medium heat. Then you will just make sure you monitor the heat while you fry, so the heat doesn't go too high and doesn't go too low. So you're going to fry this between 7 to 8 minutes until they are light golden brown. Okay, make sure that it gets to 7 minutes at least, because if you put it and it browns quickly before time, it's not going to cook deep inside and you won't like it. So make sure it fries gradually till they turn light golden brown. Take this out of the oil and you are ready to serve this. Okay, so this is another way you can make your poki or bread buns. So for those that don't want the yeast method, you can try this. Thank you.